hotrods got them gone.
269 classic cars. Come take a ride with us, we got it all. Hot rods to muscle cars. A ton of dream cruise class. I like that 66, no, but that C8 to go the fast. Chevelle on Forgiato rims. 101 whips, these ain't average. 269, 269 classic cars. 269, 269 classic cars.
Oh, look at that boy backing on out of there. Ooh, look at it, look at it. One side look good. Ooh, I ain't heard it run in so long. Look at that side. What is he doing? This ain't no damn Jeep. I'm telling you, you scratch anything on there, ooh, Doug gonna kick your ass. Ooh, but I gotta remember to stop cussing on here. Look at Orange Crush getting ready, looking like a Jeep. That's a Chevelle Jeep. Look at that, no rub. Y'all see that? Do you see that thing? Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you like it. Yeah, we got the Detroit Tigers. Detroit Tigers, we won again. We about to go to the World Series. And we right there put it in. Ooh, look at that. Look at it covering his face up. How I look in the sun, buddy?
Tell me.
Is it wet? Is it wet? That looks pretty good. Can I see myself? Yeah, there we go. Yep, Where Greg at? Did he see it outside?
Yeah.
We almost at the finish line. Oh, you got to see this side. This the side you want to see. This is where the sun is at. Woo, look at that. Boy, that man know he can paint when he want to paint, can't he? Yeah. When he want to show up for work. Look at that right there. You see that? Yeah, that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. Yeah, I like that.
Looks good out here in the sun, don't
It looks good in the sun, don't it?
That looks like...
That looks really nice, Greg.
Same out there, partner. We actually don't do it.
You're right. Oh, this is for special customers.
Somebody I know. I said, we agreed to do it, but we've been working on it a long time.
Uh-huh. Oh, my. Greg, do you see that? No, you don't see it, Greg. Go look at that. You don't see it.
Does it look wet?
What? Do it look wet? Oh, that looks good.
I hope we don't back into it.
Look at the boat. Who idea with the black boat? Ducks. Oh, that looks nice. All right, we got to go. Once again, Peterson Body Shop did an excellent job. I take back all the bad things I said last week. No. Looks real good, man. Leave a comment, hit the like button. We see you guys in about, what we need, about 2 weeks, we'll be done. About 2 weeks, it should be wrapped up, and we'll let you guys see it when it's all finished. 269 Classic Cars, we gone. Out.
269, 269 classic cars. 269, 269 classic cars.
Do you see that? Did you see that? Look at that guy. Do you see how good that look? Yes. Everybody gonna come see you now. This is a Chevelle. Oh, I'm not finna do it right now. Oh no, you thought I was posting it now? No, I'm not gonna post